Hi there, Cousin Abe here. Today, showcasing my first YouTube video. I'm going to show you today how to make a fabulous pineapple smoothie. So let's get started. I've got my individual blender here. I've got all the components. Got some ice, fresh pineapple, some almond milk, and just some toppings. I toasted some coconuts that we're going to use for later. So let's get started. Basically, I've got some ice. I'm gonna pour a little in here now. Ice is different. I tend to use a bigger ice cube, but I have right now these individual small ice cubes, so that's pretty much what I'm working with. It's easier if you put the ice in the bottom and then you use your liquid. So this is optional. Some people don't like any liquid in theirs. I'm just using it because I find the flavors better. Got my pineapple. I'm just doing a really small smoothie for myself to kind of show my audience how to make a really nice one. So you can choose however you want, however the amount is, but right now I'm just going to do something small like this. So there you go. The thing about these individual blenders is that they detach so that once you make your smoothie, you can take it with you. So this is very simple, very effortless. There you go. So what I do sometimes is I kind of handheld it and kind of stir it around just to help the ice and all of the ingredients blend, and we're done. So that took a matter of, I don't know, 30 seconds maybe. Take it off, boom. So I have my friends here that I want them to try this. So now that we've got the actual smoothie done, let me just give you a little background on myself and what the reason why I am doing this and my objective and my mission. So post-COVID, all of these ideas that I'm going to be offering to my audience are from COVID, post-COVID. I know COVID's not over with, but like a lot of people, I gained some weight during COVID. And I decided that I was going to do a transformation. I was not going to let COVID take over. So I was so excited to offer this recipe or this concoction. I don't want to call it a recipe. These are concoctions. So I'm hoping that the purpose of this video today is to introduce myself and to want you all to follow me and to like what I'm offering, because I feel like these concoctions are what basically help me transform into a better person, healthier, lose my weight, and I just want to offer this to my audience. So what I'm going to do right now is I've got my friends here, going to have them try it. Now, while we're doing this, couple of things. A lot of you like to indulge in these really sweet frozen or these drinks that are very fruity or very sweet with lots of flavorings and ice and all this kind of stuff. I would challenge you to purchase a blender, individual blender. You can get them on Amazon, you can get them at Target or Walmart. Go to the store. Right now, during COVID, there's so much fruit and vegetables that are on sale because of the economy, and that the grocers need to get this food out of their store. This is a great time to take advantage of this. I'm going to showcase 5 of my favorite smoothies, and what I am challenging you to do is to pick one of them or pick all 5 of them and replace it with one of your sugary, over-the-top Frappuccino drinks. If you're worried about having all of your ingredients handy, I've got you on that too. So it's really simple. There's no reason to say no on this. If you need to, go to the store, buy individual containers of fruit. If you have a refrigerator at work, take this with you to work, put your name on it, put it in the refrigerator. If you can afford to purchase 2 individual blenders, I would do that. So you can have one at work and you can have one at home. This is going to ensure that you're staying true to your commitment to change your eating habits. So you have your blender, and basically, if you're worried about having milk in it or whatever, so this whole almond milk thing is optional. I just use it to help blend it up a little bit quicker. This is all. There's nothing ingrained in these recipes or these concoctions. I'm providing you a platform. You can do whatever you want to do with it. I just want to share these concoctions with people that I have found that helped me transform all that weight that I gained and just put me in a better place. So with that being said, I'm gonna have my friends try this. And going forward, I wanted my audience to understand that the purpose of me doing these videos is to inspire others to make a change. So we're in a very difficult time right now. And there are different, these videos are gonna have different dynamics to them. We're gonna also be balling on a budget. We're gonna be taking food to a different level. I'm gonna be giving you testimonials on how I feel, what I feel like might inspire you to just be a better person. But I think it starts with how we feed ourselves. So with that being said, I'd like to always end my conversations with, we're very blessed. So what that means to me is the following. So you wanna be healthy. You always wanna look healthy, of course. You wanna eat healthy. Now you wanna spend healthy. So I know I said earlier about looking for sales, that's the spending part. You wanna see healthy. So you wanna see results. You want to enjoy healthy. So enjoying healthy means enjoying the outdoors, enjoying playing sports, just getting out and challenging yourself. And you want to do healthy, meaning making sure that you don't smoke cigarettes, that you don't sniff gasoline vapors or something stupid like that. So, I'd like for all of you to just use the word blessed. So when you continue to follow me and like me, so make sure, it's very important, follow me and like me. I'm gonna say that you're probably gonna enjoy what I have to offer. So in the meantime, look for my videos. I've got some great ideas. I'm gonna have my friends try this. What I also did is I also ended up topping it off with some coconut, which I'm gonna show. Actually, I have one video out on how to toast coconut flakes. So my staff is gonna try this. I'm gonna finish this. Until next time, Cousin Abe is out. Take care.